Hello and welcome back to this last episode of building this guitar. First, I'm going to start by winding and assembling two humbuckers. As you can see, I have a new winding machine. This machine is based in the plans that Highline Guitars sells in his store. It's CNC based and works really smooth. The humbucker specs are bridge 13k ohm and ceramic magnet, and the neck 8k ohm and Alnico 5. With this flame maple veneer, I'm going to make the custom humbucker covers. They are going to receive purple dye and 3 coats of oil. Here you can see them. I'm securing the veneer to the frame with a little bit of cyanoacrylate. Here you can see finished a custom pair of humbuckers. Next step is to level, dress and polish the frets. Here you can see another problem. When CAD 3D designing this body, I place the neck humbucker pocket too close to the neck, so I can't fit the pickup. Now I need to remove a little bit of wood. That's much better. I'm going to shield the electronics cavity and the pickup pockets. Those two holes are for the screws for the fluid rose claw. Installing the tuning keys, I've encountered another problem, and was that one of the thumb screws of the locking mechanism do not have the logo sticker thingy. But since I want to finish this video and series, I will continue forward and change it in the future. This is the Schala Lochmeisner Floyd Rose Tremolo. First, I'm going to install the locking nut. I'm applying a little bit of cyanoacrylate to prevent moving when marking the holes. Okay, now I can drill. To fit the humbucker neck, had to modify the frame, as you can see. This one is the ground wire, which goes to the holes of the Floyd Rose stud inserts. Next, the bridge humbucker. And finally, I can install the bridge. The tremolo block is being held by a wooden wedge. Now I can install the springs. I will tighten the screws until the wedge falls. Only a few details are missing. The guitar has two pots, volume and tone, and a 5-way P-Mega switch from Schaller. Here you can see the repaired hole of the previous episode. This video and series ends here. If you enjoyed it, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you soon.